Right, here we go. Finally got around to it. I wanted to just make sure I understood this gun well and did it justice and just didn't pick it up and spray it a couple of times and did a review for you. So, what are we talking about? We're talking about the LPH80 from Anest Iwata. It's a really small gun. I was surprised when I took it out of the box how small it actually was. And I thought, it kind of feels like a toy compared to the other, even the sort of DeVilbiss SRI Pro Light, which is for me like your leading smart repair gun, and the Segola Mini Extreme. And then you get this one, which is so much smaller. Best way for me to describe this gun, I've been trying to think about how I do this. I would describe this gun that it has the finesse of a ballerina and it packs the punch of a heavyweight boxer. And what I mean by that is you could do a small intricate job with this really easily, or if you wanted to, as you'll see in the video shortly, you can do a wing into a bumper corner, a whole bumper, a little window frame, leather interior repairs. It's probably one of the most all-round guns I've ever used. It's definitely one of the best interior repair guns I've ever used. And it's a joy to spray with. Do I have any negatives about the gun? Yeah, well, it's not, you know what? It's not really a negative because it's the design of the gun. You just need to be a little bit more careful with it, especially when you're coming to clean it, especially with this the needle, because it is so fine. What size tip would I recommend? I would recommend going for the 1.2. This is what I've got in here. It goes from a 0.4 up to a 1.2. Most smart repairers probably go for a 1mm. I only use this gun for base coat. I've got my clear guns that I love and I wouldn't change them for anything. So based on base coat testings, the 1.2 has been brilliant, and especially even in interior repairs like I just said. So I would recommend, if you're going to buy one of these, buy the 1.2. Another thing I really like about it is it comes with two pots, depending on the package you buy, but it has a 125mm pot and it also has a, off the top of my head, 70mm pot. Or you can buy a little adapter. This is the Colad. Use their Snap Smart lids, and that's a 77mm pot. It fits on here nicely. These little pots come with caps as well, so you can store your paint, and that's another neat little option to finish this gun off. So yes, it's an all-rounder, big smiling yes from me that this gun is worth buying. There's a little bit more information to follow shortly. I hope you like it. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to give me a shout or send me a DM. And thank you very much for watching. And thank you very much to Refinish Systems for giving me the opportunity to play with the Anest Iwata LPH80. Unfortunately, it looks like I'm gonna have to send it back now. Sad, but I'm probably gonna invest in one for myself. Okay, have a great one guys, bye.